welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we dive into the world of creativity and explore the beauty of nature through art. Today, join me as we immerse ourselves in the tranquil depths of the ocean, capturing the serene elegance of underwater life. Let's begin by sketching the outline of our underwater scene, where the sunlight dances through the waves, casting a mesmerizing glow on the sandy ocean floor. Let's bring our fish to life. With gentle strokes of our brush, we draw the graceful curves of its body, capturing the fluidity of its movement as it glides through the water. Before we begin, let's gather our supplies: a blank canvas, a cry, various brushes, and a palette for mixing colors. Oh, and don't forget your scene of wonder and creativity. Now let's dive right in. With a broad brushstroke, let's paint that backdrop of our beach scenery, blending hues of turquoise, cerulean to capture the tranquil expanse of the ocean. Next, let's add some texture to our sandy seabed with a dab of ochre and sienna. We create the illusion of rippling sand dotted with shells and pebbles. Now for the paste, the resistance of magnificent fish. With the fine tip brush, we carefully outline its sleek silhouette, paying close attention to its graceful curves and intricate finds. And there you have it, a stunning depiction of life beneath the waves. Remember, in the world of art, there are no limits to where your imagination can take you. So grab your brushes and let's continue our artistic adventures together. As we add the final touches to our masterpiece, let's not forget the intricate details that make our underwater world truly come alive. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep creating and exploring the wonders of our world. Thank you very much.